Right, good morning everyone. Now I'm just going to make a headband. I have 4 nieces at the moment that are all pregnant. One of them's giving birth today, hopefully. They've taken her in and starting her off. And it's her first baby. So I've got the elasticated band, and obviously the baby's head is not going to be that big, is it? But I'm going to do it where she can alter it if she wants. So I would say no more than that for a baby, a new baby. And I'm going to turn it inside out and do it that way, I think. So I'm just going to seal this off. I'm going to take my needle and thread. Oops. But yeah, so we're 4 nieces, all pregnant. 2 sisters and 2 sisters. It's weird. It's weird having nieces that are pregnant, let alone it being weird them being 2 sisters and 2 sisters. But hey. Rika, who's due today, hopefully. Do you remember the wedding that I made her bridesmaid decorations for? Well, she's pregnant. She's due today. And then we've got her sister Tasha, who's just found out she's pregnant. But then that's me, the sister of mine that's 3 years younger than me, and the sister who's the youngest sister who's 6 years younger than me, Joanne. Her 2 daughters are pregnant. Well, no, sorry, one of them's had her daughter, and then we're not sure what the other one. I'm not sure when the other one's due. I can't remember, to be honest. I saw it the other day. And she looked really well, because she's not been well with hers. But it's her first baby. The one who's had a baby, her sister, she's got 3 kids already. So she's used to it. But this is Nirvana's first child. A little girl. So all girls up to now. I'm just stitching this. I'm going to go over that. Do an over stitch there. Like that. And then go back down. Yeah, it's really weird having them all having kids of their own. You think, where has time gone? When they were so small themselves not so long ago. You know. I don't know. Really don't know where time's gone. And I'm just going to do that again. Just for the safety of it, that's all. It's just so weird. But there you go. It's a very, very big family as ours. With lots of people, lots of children, grandchildren. That's plenty big enough for the baby, I would say. And it can be altered. Sorry, I don't know what I've done. I've hurt my thumb. That, whatever that is there, it's just there. Wow. And when I'm using it and bending it, I was doing something the other day and I heard it click. You see? It's like out of, oh, that's a vein, but it's painful when not all the time, but sometime. Don't worry, my hands are fine. I haven't had any pain in my hands since I started doing what my daughter suggested, which you all know about. So what I'm going to do is to hide that anyway. No, I won't hide that. We'll do it that way. So she can underpick that and redo it if she wants to. I'm going to put this... What was I going to do? I'm going to do this first. That's what I got this out for. Fee, come on, get yourself together. I'm going to do a little patch. Jojo. Like that. And I'm going to stitch this on first. Oh, that was clever. Come on, Fee. I'm just going to go around that in a circle. Like that. I'm also just going to bob on a little dab of glue. How much glue that's eaten that up. Yeah. I hope you can see this. Just for added protection, that's all. Little double glue in case the stitching comes under. I don't think it will, but you never know. And then one more, I think. We'll just do one there. Just to use that bit of thread up anyway. It's, you're not going to see it. That will be onto the band. One more like that, that'll do. Like that, that's fine. So I'm just going to look, a little pretty little thing, isn't it? So I'm just going to rethread my needle. I'll take that bit off because it's gone a bit tacky. Where's my knife? There we go. They can go like that if you've got it through, you know, put it through glue. Anyway, we'll go back to this. Yeah, did it. There we go. Right. So now we've got that. Now what I'm going to do is make another one with this. Well, it's still a bit stiff, that needle. Right, I'm just going to do this one while we bend that over. Oh, bloody hell, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I think I've strained the thumb. I've either cracked a bone or I've strained it. Feels more like I've cracked it, to be honest. A strained, slightly different feeling. This is like I've broken a bone. It really feels like one's dislodged. We need to do 5 petals, so that's 1, 2, 3, and go on to the next one, number 4. And flip that over, ready for number 5. And then we snip that, burnish the end, sew to the end, down the side. We make sure they're all facing the same way, and then we go back to the beginning and we just pull that tight, and then we can double stitch this here. Like that. And there we go. We've got a nice little flower just like that. And then I can put that in the middle, and I'm going to do that. So remember, I showed you how to make those. I'm going to pop that into the middle like that. Turn that over, and we're going to glue that. I've only put it halfway on there because I'm only having it halfway here, like that. Let's see if we'll do it that way. Yeah, that'll be fine there. I've got glue on there again. There we go. Now I'll do that one again. I'm going to take one of these. No, too much, but it does need a little flower, so I'm going to do let me just see if I've got anything that I can put in there. No, Fee, come on, no, not that. Right, I'm just going to get my dish of flowers out. Got a little pink one here. All these flowers are due back in shortly, girls and gents. I'm just waiting for them all to come in. Oh, let's get some glue. So I'm just going to go like that there. See, like that. I can put another patch on there if I want to, but I'm going to put the band on it, so it really doesn't matter. Let me just get a couple more flowers. What have we got in here? We've got one of those, which I'm going to put on this side. Like that. That's fine. I'm happy with that bit there. We just need something here. So I think what I'll do is search for another flower that I can use. Oh, I've got one. I've got a rolled ribbon one we can use. Because you've got to do mixtures, you see. Hang on. Oh, and we've got a couple of those that can go in as well. There we go. We'll have a look, see what we can do. Here's a rolled ribbon. Which I can sit in there. like that. See, it just makes it look so much prettier. I'll squash that there a bit. Oh, that's all right. And then we can take a couple of these. Yeah, very similar to the way you can make a patch. Like that. But all I'm going to do is to pop in one of these. Now, as long as the parent is very careful, you know, these won't come undone, will they? Like that. And I think we need one here. And possibly one in there. See, that'll do. That's fine. So nice, and you can have it. I like it that way, to be honest. So I think that's the way we'll have it. So now what I'm going to do is to attach it to the ribbon that I made earlier. Let me just see. I've got to make sure that's going to... Yeah, I think that's fine round baby's head. So I'm going to do this bit. And I'm going to lay that across there. Like that. And there you go. And I don't think we need anything else. Let me just see. No, we don't need anything else. I like it as is. A nice little headband for the newborn baby. Hope you like that. Thanks for watching. Take care. And I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.